I think he planted B, I think.
Lol.
Good question.
Oh, how did I whiff
join?
that? How did I whiff that again? How did I whiff that again?
Because you're clearly a global, and globals don't actually whiff. They just think they whiff.
You suck.
Thanks. Oh!
Get you up on site, on site.
Absolutely shit.
Why is she deafened?
Because you're too fucking loud.
They're just playing a con.
No! I was trying to flash!
Yeah, no.
Garbage timing, it's fine.
Ah.
Happens to the worst of us.
Happens to the worst of us.
I hate you! Oh, you guys almost got their head got up.
Want me to take that mind off that ping?
Yes, sir, boy!
Got the headshot, baby!
You actual dick face.
CT, what's P90? We going cat.
Das was mit slash Xbox.
They got ball on cats.
Nice.
Nice,
Good fly.
Keenan. Good job, buddy.
You'll love this kid.
This
No,
should be
I'm
an
I'm
easy
still
game
in
for you
first
guys.
place. I'm still in first place.
Yeah, you are. You're always gonna be first place in my heart.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're always gonna be a retard in mine. Oh, are you low? No, you're not.
Ah, move! Shit! I'm 1 HP! Oh my. What did you do?
I was laughing and I accidentally.
Okay, 2v1. Get
accidentally-
your fucking head in the game. 2v1.
I didn't think he was gonna hit that.
Loyal Little Ochos abandoned the match and received a 2-hour comp for matchmaking cloud.
Oh yeah, they're down a guy. Why are we losing this round?
Because I have killed more teammates than enemies. They surrendered though.
Oh.
It doesn't matter that I
yeah.
killed more teammates than.
They.
Does anyone else see this shit on the wall here?
Yeah, what is that?
What the
fuck?
fuck?
It was something about me pulling the trigger on one of the teammates. Something about that. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
Oh, Jesus fuck.
Because I was shooting our teammates in Absol Mirage.
that's all right, Blue. I kind of checked out on round 3, but I'm not gonna lie to you. Get ready, Kieran. There you go. Oh, I'm fucking cheating. Okay.
Fuck, there's one market, guys.
Yep, there is.
What the fuck did I just watch?
Alright, let's see what this man bought. He bought head armor, M4, kit. Wait, this man bought a kit. I didn't buy it, alright.
Gay, you kidding me, dude?
Bro, don't be a loser, buy a diffuser, dog. Fuck.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You don't need a diffuser if you're good at the game.
You know, yeah. I don't know about that one there, G. Look who's talking. Alright, that's a clip.
Do good things with it, Ganj.
Oh my
so
god, you
sorry.
ran right in
I
front of
am
me.
so sorry. Oh man, motherfucker.
It's alright.
Jesus Christ. Oh man.